Introducing our latest product, LMP. A reusable face mask created to protect you and those around you. LMP has been rapidly prototyped and created as a solution to the current lack of face masks. We wanted to create something that doesn't exploit medical resources and delivers a high-quality face mask for personal use. Our mask filters at high FFP3 and N99 standard, with dual carbon filters to filter out pollution and viral threats, creating a comfortable, reusable mask with replaceable filters for everyday use. We also wanted to reduce the number of disposable masks for personal use.